On July 3, 2024, this Delta Airlines Flight 136 from Detroit to Amsterdam was forced to make an emergency landing at JFK Airport.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Delta 136 to New York Center. We have a critical situation. Multiple passengers are severely ill due to contaminated food, requesting immediate emergency landing at JFK.
This is transporting Delta 36 Alpha at Mayday, New York City.
Turning left, heading 092, descending to 10,000 feet. Direct to JFK, Delta 136. Thank you, New York Center.
To New York City, roger. Alpha, Bistro Flight 2 Jaguar.
Cleared to land runway 22L, Delta 136, thank you.
The Airbus A330 landed safely at JFK.